wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakimi bin Muhammad Yusof, KID 250504 504013. Today, my friend and I will present a brief review of the movie King Richard. This film is based on the true story of Richard Williams, a father who was working hard to help a dog. Venus and Serena Williams become professional tennis players. Despite many challenges, Richard never give up. With determination and strong leadership, he guides the dog toward success. Today, I would like to share 3 important values from the movie. First, leadership. Richard with Venus and Serena during their tennis training and playing their future carefully. For example, he creates a training plans and motivation them to work hard. This teaches us that good leader with order toward success. Second, selflessly. Richard and his wife spend their time and energy support their dreams. For example, Richard take them to practice every day despite financial difficulties. This show the sincere service and lead to success. Third, patience is a sabar. Richard remains patient even when facing criticism and challenge. For example, he continues supporting his dog although many people doubt him. This teaches us to stay strong and never give up. In conclusion, Richard teaches us the importance of leadership, sacrifice, and patience in achieving success. That's all for me. Next, I would like to invite my friend to next presentation.
Thank you for the explanation. Before I continue, I would like to intro myself. My name is Aizat Nakiuddin bin Ahmad Nasruddin, KID 2505040003. I would like to continue by discussing some of the important moral value that can be learned from King Richard. The first value is discipline. Throughout the movie, Richard Williams trained his daughter with strict routine and consistent practice. He believed that success can only be achieved through hard work, commitment, and self-control. This teaches us that discipline is an essential quality for achieving our goals, whether in education, sport, or everyday life. The second value is the spirit of never giving up. Even though Richard and his family faced financial difficulties, criticism, and many obstacles, they remain determined to pursue their dreams. Their perseverance shows us that challenge should not stop us from moving forward. Instead, they should motivate us to become stronger and work even harder for success. For an Islamic perspective, our important value shown in the movie is amanah, or trustworthiness and responsibility. Richard takes his responsibility as a father seriously by protecting, guiding, and educating his daughter with sincerity and dedication. In Islam, every responsibility is in amanah that should be fulfilled with honesty, wisdom, and care. This reminds us that we should always carry out our duty, responsibility, whether as a student, children, or future leader. In conclusion, King Richard is more than just a sport movie. It teaches us valuable lessons about discipline, perseverance, and responsibility. This value inspires us to stay committed to our goals, overcome challenge with determination, and fulfill our responsibility with integrity. By applying these lessons in our daily life, we can become better individual and contribute positively to our family and community. That's all from my part. Now, I would like to invite my friend to continue with the next section of our presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I continue, I want to intro myself first. My name is Muhammad Azharikal bin Muhammad Idris, KID 250504068. Okay, thank you. Now I would like to continue by sharing a few more important moral values that can be learned from King Richard. The first value is responsibility. Throughout the movie, Richard Williams take full responsibility for his family's future and his daughter's development. He carefully plans their training, protects them from negative influences, and always priorities their education and personal growth. This show that being responsible means fulfilling our duties with commitment and sincerity. The next value is family love and support. One of the strongest messages in the movie is the importance of a united family. Richard and his wife constantly encourage, guide, and support their daughter through every challenge. Their unconditional love gives Venus and Serena the confidence to pursue their dreams. This teaches us that a strong family bond can become a source of motivation and strength during difficult times. From an Islamic perspective, the movie also reflects the value of ikhtiar and tawakal. Richard worked tirelessly and made every possible effort to ensure his daughter's success, demonstrating the importance of ikhtiar, which means serving and dedication and hard work. At the same time, every effort should be accompanied by tawakal, which is placing our trust in Allah after doing your best. This value reminds us that success is achieved through continuous effort while believing that the final outcome is determined by Allah's wisdom. In conclusion, King Richard teaches us that responsibility, family love, ikhtiar, and tawakal. The essential tawakal are essential value for building a successful and meaningful life. By carrying out our responsibilities appreciating our families' support, work hard, and trusting Allah. We can face challenge with confidence and achieve our goals while maintaining strong moral character. That concludes my part of presentation. Now I would like to invite my friend to continue with the next topic. Thank you.
Thank you. This is my last part of the presentation. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Safwat bin Faiz, KID 25050429. Next, I would like to highlight two simple moral values from King Richard. The first is hard work. The movie clearly shows that success does not come easily, but through continuous effort and dedication. The second is confidence. Venus and Serena are always encouraged to believe in themselves, which helps them to face challenges without fear. From an Islamic perspective, the value of sabr, or the meaning is patience, is also very important. Throughout the journey, they remain patient when facing difficulties and trust that every struggle has its own reward from Allah. In conclusion, King Richard teaches us many important lessons, such as hard work, confidence, and passion in Islam. These values can help us become better individuals in life. That's all from our group presentation. We hope you enjoy and gain some useful lesson from our sharing of King Richard. Thank you for your kind attention and for listening throughout our presentation. This is all from us. Thank you very much.